So, ito yung new box ng Ellie & Co. And this was the old one. So, yung luma, ganitong box mo makukuha nyo. Hindi naka-indicate kung anong scent ang meron sa loob. Kapag bukas nyo, dito yung kandila. And then the paper bag. So, this is Snuggle Weather. Nabili ko to nung November. Yan. I think Snuggle Weather is out of stock. So, ito ngayon yung mga bagong labas. This is the new packaging. So, each box, malalaman mo na kung ano yung nasa loob. Kasi they have their own scent na. Tapos, ito may nakalagay. And then, fresh bamboo. Yan. Tapos yung instruction dito. Mas maganda siya compared sa old one. And then, kapag binuksan mo siya, andyan yung kandila. But, it's sealed. Kasi meron na siyang styro sa loob. Yan. So, same pa rin siya. Fresh bamboo. Yan. So, this is the the new box. The new packaging. Mas maganda siya ngayon. And this is Vanilla Sky, and this is Oh Happy Day. Yan. So, yun na siya. It's the new one. And then the old one. Pero ito, nabili ko to siguro November. Tinapon ka na din yung box. Ang ganda. Mas maganda to ngayon. Let's check this. Pero yung scent nila is just the same. Mabango pa rin. Long lasting. I think nagbago din sila ng bote.